Welcome back, everybody, to Ultimate CNFT. Mike, aka Mr. Ultimate, here with you today, and we're going to be breaking down the upcoming project on the Cardano blockchain NFT release, MulgaKongs, baby. We've got a summer vibe hitting. It's June. Look, I've got my summer shirt on. I've got my tree blowing in the wind. I'm ready to get after it. This is a project I'm very excited about for a number of reasons, which I will be sharing with you here in this video. Stick with me, you guys. Like and subscribe. We got some things to get to. Oh, yeah, and shout out to the founders. Thank you guys so much. They've donated 7 of these bad boy NFTs to be delivered via a nice wheel spin giveaway to my Tier 3 paid subscription membership club members. If you want to know more about that, we'll be talking about that at the end of the video. But you know what? Right now, we're going to be talking about this awesome looking art coming up, some real life artist implications. We got some brand recognition, major things to get here with you guys. We're going to check out this website. We're going to check out all the good stuff on all the socials, and I'm going to share with you the story about the artist and how this is turning into what I see as the perfect NFT project. Let's get after it right now. All right, everybody, jumping right into this MulgaKongs website. This is a fantastic looking website riddled with all kinds of the art from the street artist Mulga himself. And take a look at some of the NFTs. This is what they're going to look like. Very colorful, very beautiful. I'm liking the way this is shaping up, you guys. Let's just go ahead and check out some of this information here and digest what's coming up here on June 23rd. So MulgaKongs, a tribe of 5,555 bold and fantastic guerrilla artwork brought to life from the mind of renowned street artist Mulga. Now check this out, you guys. We've got this coming up on the 23rd. Like I said, you can still get a whitelist easily done as of the making of this video. Whitelist price is $25 US and the regular public price is $30. So go ahead and try to get those whitelists. You guys save yourself $5 worth of ADA, because why not? Now look, there's a lot that goes into the story behind the person behind the art. This is some really, really cool looking art. If you ask me, in my personal opinion, just from an art standpoint, this is very NFT centric, very NFT friendly. It's almost like this was just meant to be turned into an NFT project. And of course, KWIC has been helping these guys along the way and brought them to Cardano. So thank you. Shout out to Danny for bringing them here. I know you guys are friends. You Aussie mates stick together, and I love to see it. I love to hear it. But, you know, this started a long time ago. So, you know, it's funny how NFTs, you know, these apes, right? Gorillas, monkeys, Kongs, whatever it may be, is such an NFT friendly thing. Well, this gentleman here, this street artist, has been doing this since 2012, you guys. This started way before any of this NFT stuff. So, you know, go ahead and pause this video if you want to and read the story behind Mulga himself. It's all right there for you guys to see. We'll look a little bit at how he kind of got his start and how he ended up where he's at now. Starting in 2012, basically kind of did something really cool at a famous beach at Bondi Beach in Australia, and it got picked up. And MTV did a little feature on that there, and before you know, he started working with brands like Samsung, Coca-Cola, Red Bull, Lego, Adidas, and so many more, you guys. And now he's kind of stepped up his game, and he's here making NFTs, which we appreciate because we all know and love NFTs. That's why we're here. That's why you're watching these videos, you guys. So like and share. I appreciate it. And then also there's a story behind my cat ate my NFT. Not my dog. My cat ate my NFT, and that's Justin. So you can read a little bit about Justin as well here too. There's all kinds of information as well on the Discord, which we will be checking out. But also keep in mind here that there's a lot of social media accounts attached to this. You can go check out the Instagram. This gentleman has over 40,000 followers on Instagram and growing every day. There's all kinds of brand recognition that's going to be attached to this project, which is what really excites me besides the art. I mean, if you look at the art, like I said, has there ever been anything that you can see that just looks so NFT ready? And this started so long ago before NFTs were even a thing. And that's why I love it. We're talking about some organic stuff here. We're talking about something that, in my opinion, was just simply meant to happen, and I love to see those kinds of things there. So also there is a store and a website. So we're gonna check out the roadmap here in a second. We'll get down to the bottom to where we're at right now, because we got some things to look into before we check out the actual visual roadmap, which is very well done in the style of Mulga. So where are we at right now? We are into mint day. Right here. Supply 5,555. Again, the date is June 23rd, and the price we know now is $25 US for the whitelist and $30 for the public. So what happens after step number 5? We got step number 6, the free to play. The MulgaKong avatar will be added to the KWIC verse. Free to play selection for its community members to explore the KWI verse and the Kongs Island. Kong Island. What? Kong Island? Kong Island Party. The Kongs will go live with the KWIC verse, and this will be a chill-only zone for everyone to enjoy. Now, we got some other things to look into. This KWIC token rewards. Now, like I said before, this is the first Launchpad project to be going through KWIC. Y'all know, if you follow my channel and if you're in my Discord, KWIC is my favorite project on Cardano. It's my #1 holding. I love this project. I love the founders. You can see I've done multiple videos on the project. I've done multiple founder interviews. You can go check back not that far and go look at all the information. And so the fact that this project here, in my opinion, which lined up to be the perfect NFT type project with the art, with the style, with everything behind it, the brand recognition, partnering up with my favorite project, to me is a home run. Now, these are my personal opinions. Of course, you guys, everybody do your own research, but look, I love to share with you guys my plan of attack and my personal opinions on here. This is why I started a YouTube video channel in the first place, because I love NFTs and I love sharing with people good stuff. So the KWIC token rewards, being an official partner with KWIC, means all the holders of MulgaKongs will be able to stake their NFTs and earn the quick token. Let's go. One more thing I'm very excited about right here is step number 9. Now, I don't know too much about this, but if you read between the lines, you can figure some things out. The MulgaKongs get some new fun friends joining them in their wallets. What sounds like an airdrop to me. Part 2 roadmap is coming up later. So I want to go ahead and share with you guys the actual visual part of this, because they did a really good job the way it's drawn out. So let's take a look at this. Here's your Kong Island, right? You got the beach opens, everyone's getting partying, everyone's having a good time and all this fun stuff. This is super, super Aussie if you ask me. This is just as Aussie all over the place, and I love it. So you got the free-to-play game coming up. You got the token rewards. We got sneak peeks. We got the MulgaKong visual roadmap, which we're looking at here. Visualized Kong Island Part 2 roadmap is coming later, but I like this raining ice cream part here, coming out of like this Kong volcano. Boom. What are we raining here, you guys? Can you tell us more, MulgaKongs, about what you're doing? Because I like to know. Look, I will be minting this. I do have a full whitelist, and I'm very excited about it. I'll be sniping these. I want to be holding on to these. I will be staking these to earn the quick token and all that stuff. So expect to see more of this project being covered on my channel and being done up into my Discord. Come join my Discord if you guys have not done that yet. But we're looking at some really cool art and just some really great ideas. I want to share with you real quick also the website that you can join here. You can find all of this right on the website. Before we take a look at the actual Discord community itself, just browse to the website and just take a look at some of the brand recognition that we're working with here. We're talking about something that's already been established. We're talking about stuff that can be sold for paintings and all kinds of cool stuff. So there is a real life attachment to these NFTs, a business that's already up and running, an artist, a street artist who's gone full time into what he's doing, backing this up. Who knows what the future has for a project like MulgaKongs? If you ask me, I see something special here. We're at the cusp of something that I could see really doing some big things in the NFT space and bringing more people who are into the art side of things into NFTs, especially with a guy who's doing the kind of work for some of these big projects. Now check him out. He's worked with Adidas, Coca-Cola, MTV, Samsung. I don't know if you guys have heard of any of these, but you know we all sure have. So let's go check out some more of the stuff here into the actual Discord family itself, because you all know I'm a big fan of what goes on in the Discord. Let's go check it out right now. All right, you guys, jumping into this Discord fam here. We've got the mint date of June 23rd. That's a couple weeks as of the making of this video right now. The Twitter's got almost 5K followers, and the beach bums here on the Discord are over 3K. Now, look, there's plenty of whitelists still to get. Keep your eye on what's going on here. You guys follow them on their socials. They're giving away whitelists. We gave some away already on my Discord fam over there, and there's still plenty more to work with. So if you want the links to basically everything from UltimateCNFT and MulgaKongs, it'll be right there in the description box below. Everything from the Twitter to the Instagram account that's popping off art all the time, growing and growing every single day. The real world implications coming along with this are pretty cool. You can meet the artist. You can read all about the entire story here from the artist himself, and also the project there. Basically starting in 2012, like I said, before this stuff was even around, before NFTs were even there and apes were even a thing for collectibles, the famous Bondi Beach Funky Gorilla enjoying an ice cream was quickly adopted by MTV, taking notice of documenting the creative process process for telling the future collaborations with top tier brands as TikTok, BMW, Kellogg's, and so on and so forth. Look, when you have an opportunity for something like this to go into an NFT project, the sky is absolutely the limit. I'm really digging seeing some of these stuff. The mint facts are there. You can still learn how to whitelist. It's all there. Click on those links. Come join the Cardano Discord fam. Of course, you can read through all the announcements, still catch up on everything before the mint. Mulga here. So I want to share this with you because a lot of the real life branding, there's an opportunity to showcase some of that. We can just start with some of these sick looking freaking barbecues that I want one of these because basically it's just summertime vibes all day long. I love to freaking see it. Here's a cool story about creating a collaboration with Javiana's and putting up some of the art for the Javiana's vending machine in Sydney, and some of the art itself for the actual flip-flops, which is really, really cool. Again, more to pour through and take a look for you guys here for yourself. All kinds of marketing, branding, real-life merchandise. I mean, I could really see the merch for a project like this taking off. We want to onboard some of this stuff. I can see this totally having San Diego vibes, you guys. So the worldwide possibilities, in my opinion, are really out there. Even just the t-shirts themselves. It's just cool art. It's cool stuff. It appeals to kids. It appeals to adults. I mean, even ourselves, we're going to be chasing after some of the cooler traits and everything. So jump on there, take a look around. You can look at some of the sneak peeks as well, but we all saw some of this on the website. Keep in mind, you guys, the links to everything are in the description box below. Is there anything else we want to share here? Got to meet the team section here, you guys. Click on some of these Twitter profiles. You can see there's plenty of real life documentation about the people behind this NFT project itself. You guys know that I have not been showcasing too many projects on my YouTube channel, but you know this is one I am, again, very excited about. The ties to KWIC make me very excited. The art is freaking fire, and I do expect this to do well. Again, full disclosure on UltimateCNFT, I am minting this project. I am not paid to represent this project. This is not a paid endorsement, but I'll tell you what, I do appreciate the donations that are sent to us. We're going to be giving away a bunch of these on UltimateCNFT. Come join my Discord as well, you guys. Click all the links, find out all the information. Get out there, have a great time, enjoy your weekend, enjoy this summer. Let's go. Peace out, and God bless.